Hey guys, it's Jill. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today's video, we are going to be trying on some glasses. I am so incredibly excited because your girl needs a new pair of glasses. I had two. The first one broke and the second one, they are so stretched out that anytime I go like this, they're just like falling off. So I definitely needed some new glasses and I'm going to show you a good fit. Lots of variety here, different styles. So I'm very excited. Before I get into this video and show you the styles that I got, I do want to say a huge thank you to Fytoo for sponsoring today's video. I'm so excited to show you guys the variety in which I got. Obviously, I'm going to take out my contacts because these are prescription glasses. I do have a pair of sunglasses actually that aren't prescription. So we're going to go ahead and try those on first. But I do want to say before I get into trying everything on, everything is going to be linked down below in the description box. And do not forget to use coupon code Jillian15, which is going to save you guys 15% off your glasses. So whenever you get glasses online, you're going to need to know your PD. I'm pretty sure most eye doctors want you to purchase their frames or frames from where they work. So I don't know if they actually do the PD for you, but my prescription did not come with the PD, and I don't know what it is. It's something about where your eyes are. I don't know the measurements, but this is a PD ruler. So it did come with that. And this is how they come packaged. So they come in the little, every single pair that you get comes in a little bag that you can carry around with you or whatnot. And then it comes in this little plastic bag. And then this is how all of the glasses come, with this little sticky plastic. And then you just take it off like so. Are these prescription? Okay. Those are definitely prescription, so we cannot put these on yet. Okay, so these ones right here are the non-prescription ones. These are the Lucia, I believe is what it's called. Again, these are all going to be linked down below for you guys. This is what they're looking like. Y'all know, I have been wearing the same pair of sunglasses. It's been years upon years. I have not switched it up. These, I freaking love. Do you see? And then the beauty of these is that you could put them on your head like this, and your hair is not getting caught. This little nose strip things or whatever. What are they called? They're not nose strips, but you guys know what I'm talking about. These things. Yeah, those are the glasses that I have, the sunglasses. I like these a lot. I like them a lot. So these are the Lucias. These ones right here, you cannot get in a prescription. You can only get them as sunglasses. But most of their glasses, most of their frames, you can convert them over into sunglasses if you like. You can choose the type of lens. So if you also just need readers, or if you need bifocals, I think they do bifocals. If you just want the look of glasses and not the actual prescription, they also, you can just buy the frame. And here's the thing I love too. These are $13.56. These frames are incredibly inexpensive. And let me tell you, this is some good quality right here. This is some good quality. I don't want to take them off. I feel like a star in these. I like these a lot. So I'm very excited to have me a new pair of sunglasses. So these are for my son. These ones are the ones that he wanted for prescription. But these ones also, no prescription. I don't think he's getting these. What do y'all think? These are pretty fabulous. I like these a lot. I like the, you have the nose things. I don't want to mess with them because like I said, these are his. But you have the top, and then I really like these a lot. These are really nice. Let me see what style these ones are. So these are called the Dylan. I like these a lot. Kentrell's going to love them. So those also are not prescription, and you cannot get prescription in these ones either. So like I said, you can also find Any of the frames you can do without a prescription, but specifically they have a section on their website where it's just sunglasses and you cannot change them to be prescription. They are just as is. But the beauty is you're gonna see these are the prescriptions. These are the ones that Contrell picked out. These are the ones that he ended up getting with the prescription. So they're very similar. So even though he wasn't able to get these, he was able to find a very similar pair. See how similar they are? This one is the Brent, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and take my contacts out and we're gonna try on all of these glasses. I'm so excited because I haven't been able to try them on. So we're gonna try them on together because, you know, I've been wearing my contacts all day. Girl, I can't see anything. I am so blind. My son's prescription is so little, but I'm gonna go ahead and try these on. Girl, I can't see nothing. He's not as blind as I am, but these, I really like these. I think they're very similar to the ones that are just sunglasses that he picked out. But yeah, these are really cool. So those are, I can't remember the name, the Brent. These are the Brents. These are the Williams. I remember that. You know, you know. So my dad used to have a pair of these back in the 80s, 70s. And he looked so cool in them. So when I saw these, I was like, I don't think I can pull them off, but I'm gonna try. What do you guys think? I don't know. I think they're kind of cool. I think they actually look really good. Let me pull up my mirror right here. What do we think? Do we think we can pull them off? So these ones right here, they have the gold here. And then they also have the gold up here, and then around the rim of the frame is black. These are really cool. I never thought that I would actually try a pair of glasses like this, but these are actually really cool. I feel like these have, is there like a tinge to them? I don't know. Maybe not. But do you guys feel like there's like a bit of a maybe yellow or tannish tinge to them? I don't know, y'all. I think I could pull them off. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. These were the sunglasses that were the prescription, right? Oh, these are heavy. Oh, First, oh my God, I love these. Oh, I have never had prescription sunglasses before. These are so cool. Oh. Okay, you have thickums right here. And then you have, is that gold? Hold on, I can't tell because it's like, yeah, it's gold. And then right here, oh, these are fabulous. Which ones are these? The Cassandra. Cassandra, you are fabulous. Oh my gosh, I love these. Remember, these can also, if you like these, they don't have to be just sunglasses. These can also be just regular. So if you like these frames, they can be just regular prescription. These are $17.47. You cannot beat that. I don't know if I mentioned, but the Dylans are $15.16. The Brent frame is $22.95. That was the one of my son's. The Brent is the one with the sunglass prescription. So, girl, let me tell you. Hold on. Let me put on these glasses right here. Oh, I can see again. We need to talk about getting glasses online and how seamless of a process it is. Oh, I love these. Okay, you have, hold on. They're just classic black. Here at the ear, it is it like a silicone? Yeah, like right here, it's like a silicone. Oh, these are really nice. Oh yeah, that's, if you're like clumsy or kids or playing sport, I don't know about playing sports, don't quote me on that. But these are very flexible. Oh, and then right here too, you also have, it's like cushioned. Oh, that's nice. Oh, and these look so good too. Hey girl, hey. All right, which ones are these? Okay, so these are actually sport ones. The Wanda, $18.95. And let me tell you how easy of a process. Once you purchase glasses online, you will never want to purchase them with your doctor again, unless obviously they're paying 100%, which I don't know. Maybe you have insurance that does pay 100% for those fancy frames. I don't know. But I will say this, I've gotten fancy frames, and I've also gotten more inexpensive frames from online, and I prefer my inexpensive ones to my more expensive ones. The process is seamless. You basically just send them over your prescription. You pick out your frames. With each frame on the website, you can upload your picture and virtually try it on so you can see if you're gonna like the style. But then it also shows different models and face shapes, and so you can kind of get an idea of what the glasses are gonna look like. I feel like once you shop online for glasses and you see how incredibly easy it is and how much cheaper it is, but the quality is not compromised in these glasses, I feel like you're not going to want to go. You go to your doctor, get your prescription, be like, all right, adios, peace out. Get your contacts, and then come to Fytoo for your prescription or for your frames, because no, I will not pay. No, not again. Not again. So yeah, $18.95. These are nice, and these are sports. So these are for if you play sports. I'm gonna wear them all the time. I don't play sports, but I do kind of want to, when I lose some more weight, I do want to join a softball league. But I probably wouldn't. I probably wouldn't wear my glasses. But still, I might be a little athlete soon. Up next, we have the Bradley. These are $18.95 for the frame, and these are cat eye. Oh, these are cute too. These are cat eye. As you can see, there's a much thicker frame around, and then you have the gold right here. These are very comfortable too. I'm telling you, these really nice quality. Really nice quality. Look at that. They look so good on. Look at me all studious. Do you feel when you wear your glasses you look smarter? $18.95. You cannot beat that for these frames. You cannot beat that whatsoever. Last but not least, we have the Emmanuel. These are another thick frame. $15.95. These ones have a little bit of a cat eye to them too. These ones are a little bit heavier than the rest of them. They're very thick too, if you can see on the side, but they're still really comfortable. I like. What do you guys think? Which one was your favorite out of all of them? I have all of the prescription ones right here that aren't the sunglasses. So your girl's got 4 prescription pair of regular glasses, and I also have a pair of prescription sunglasses, which now when I go down to the pool, I don't have to worry about losing my contacts, and I can just wear my glasses. These are fabulous. I'm sorry. I actually would love to see these not prescription, because these are a fabulous frame. These are a really great frame. So if you like these frames, I say get them. Get them in both the sunglass and the regular prescription. But do you guys like these ones the best? I really can't tell you which one I like the best. Especially when I wear makeup. I feel like whenever I'm wearing makeup, it just makes them look even that much better on. Do you guys like the cat eye one? I love the gold detail on this one. Do you guys like the William? I'm going to say this one's probably my least favorite. Just because I don't know that it's me, you know? I don't know that it's me. What do y'all think? Or do you guys like these ones? These ones, I want to say, are my favorite. These are just classic. They're very comfortable. They're very lightweight. when I join my softball league, you want to wear them. These are very, very, very comfortable. So I want to say these are definitely my favorite. I love these. And I think that these would look fabulous not in a sunglass frame and just a regular. Especially these would be really great as not bifocals but readers. These would be a really great reader. They are they're very sturdy. These are all really good quality, by the way. All really good quality. So that is going to do it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new here. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you're always notified of every single upload. Also, don't forget, if you made it to the end of this video, put 2 butterfly emojis down below in the comment section, and also share this video as well. Huge thank you to Fytoo for sponsoring today's video. Again, don't forget, everything is going to be listed down below in the description box. These are really, really, really great quality frames on the low. They're very inexpensive, but they are not compromising on quality. So everything is going to be listed down below in the description box. Highly recommend. Such an easy, seamless process for ordering and finding out the PD and everything. And then, I mean, they look great. They look great. The virtual try-on was great. It was easy. It was simple. I feel like everything was pretty true to how it looked virtually. So that's also pretty dang accurate as well. And also, do not forget to use coupon code Jillian15 to save an extra 15% off their already super inexpensive low prices. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, again, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.